Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to get the glide armor in Tears of the Kingdom. To start your quest, warp to the Lindor's Brow Skyview Tower. From there, launch yourself high into the sky. Your first destination is Courage Island, a small floating landmass directly to the southwest. This initial step sets the stage for acquiring the first piece of this essential armor set, making your aerial explorations much safer and more enjoyable. Get ready for some exciting skydiving. Once you land on Courage Island, you'll find a steward construct waiting for you. Interact with it to initiate the dive ceremony challenge. This trial requires you to dive from a great height, passing through a series of glowing rings before landing in the designated pool below. To successfully earn the first piece of the glide armor, the glide shirt, you'll need to complete this challenge in under 35 seconds. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try a few times. After securing the glide shirt, your next destination is Bravery Island, which is situated directly above the Lost Woods. Upon arrival, locate and speak with the steward construct there to start the second dive ceremony. This challenge is similar to the first, but often requires a bit more precision. To claim the glide tights, you must complete this dive in under 35 seconds. Master your descent and aim for the center of each ring to shave off precious seconds. Finally, make your way to Valor Island, located in the South Lanayru Sky Archipelago. Here, you'll face the third and final dive ceremony challenge. Speak to the steward construct to begin. To earn the glide mask, you must complete this last dive in under 35 seconds. Once you have all three pieces, the shirt, tights, and mask, wearing the full glide armor set provides a significant boost to your aerial mobility and grants the impact-proof bonus, negating all fall damage. Happy gliding!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.